How to write an assignment. When writing an English literature assignment worth 20-25 marks, here are some steps you can follow. Read the assignment question carefully. Make sure you understand what the question is asking you to do. Identify key terms or themes and any specific text or authors you need to focus on. Research and gather information. Look for relevant information on the topic, including literary criticism, historical context, and biographical information about the author. Take notes and organize your research to help you later in the writing process. Plan your assignment. Create an outline or plan for your assignment, including an introduction, main body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Your plan should include key points you want to make and examples from the text to support your arguments. Write your introduction. In your introduction, provide an overview of the topic and the text you will be discussing. State your thesis or the main argument you will be making in your assignment. Write your main body paragraphs. Your main body paragraphs should each focus on a specific point or argument related to your thesis. Use evidence from the text to support your arguments and cite any outside sources you used in your research. Write your conclusion. In your conclusion, summarize your main points and restate your thesis. Offer any final thoughts or insights about the topic or the text you discussed. Revise and edit. Read through your assignment carefully, checking for any grammatical errors or typos. Make sure your arguments are clear and well supported, and that your assignment meets the criteria for the assignment. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye till next video.